What did you create? What did you find? What is that? You found a rock that you could draw with?
Yeah.
From a volcano? You would have made it in the caveman days. You would have figured it out for everybody, Sid.
Go all the way to the top, and then hit a bird. Hit a bird. And it'll never be found a couple of days ago. And then nothing up this room, and you get more rocks. See? I made her.
And let me see your hammer. Oh, and you take the dirt from that and you pour it in there?
Yeah, and it makes more 70 from